From the nation's capital, this is the National News Desk, America's News. Now, good evening, and we are so glad you're here with us. I'm Dee Gatton. Tonight, many families in Texas still await word of missing loved ones as rescue efforts continue after the tragic flash flooding on the 4th of July. Let's go straight to Ryan Smith at the Live Desk. What are you learning right now, Ryan?
Well, Dee, with each passing day, the death toll and tragically the number of victims continues to increase. It is now considered the deadliest freshwater flooding event in decades. Now, according to Texas officials tonight, search and rescue operations are now intensifying along the Guadalupe River, but it could take days, if not more weeks, to comb through all of that storm debris. State flags now lowered to half staff in honor of the flooding victims.
I'm devastated. I can't sleep. I can't eat. It's just so hard.
I keep looking over there at that pad, and I just keep thinking, what if I did have time? And it's been eating me up.
County leaders now facing sharp scrutiny tonight over warnings that may have been delayed. First responders reportedly called for a public alert as they witnessed that catastrophic flooding in real time. But officials reportedly did not issue one until 90 minutes later. Now, to the federal level, FEMA officials tell CNN that DHS Secretary Kristi Noem did not authorize FEMA's deployment of urban search and rescue teams until more than 72 hours after the flooding started.
Federal emergency management should be state and locally led rather than how it has operated for decades. We can end up putting this agency in the best place and position possible to be reformed and remade.
Moving forward, state lawmakers in Texas will address this tragedy during a special session later this month, focusing on improving those early warning systems, focusing on relief funding as well as recovery efforts.
Developing now, tragedy in New Mexico tonight as we are learning 3 people have died and 1 person is missing after flash flooding overtook Ruidoso, New Mexico yesterday. 2 of those killed were children, ages 4 and 7. The flooding prompted more than 60 swift water rescues and damaged at least 35 homes.
Rio Ruidoso crested at a historical high of 20 feet. Last year during the historic flood, it was over 15 feet, so we're 5 feet over last year. The water level was again 5 feet over last year, which was a record.
Our hearts and our prayers are with the people of Texas, the people of New Mexico, others that are going through a crisis today, and know that we will walk alongside them through this.
The 2 kids who died, they were part of a family from Fort Bliss, an Army post in Texas and New Mexico. They were camping at an RV park in the area. The base says the soldier and his spouse are being treated for serious injuries. The victims of the catastrophic floods in central Texas and New Mexico, they need our help. Sinclair and the Salvation Army, they are joining forces for Sinclair Cares Texas Tragedy Relief. The Salvation Army providing support. 100% of your donation goes directly to Texas flood relief efforts. To get started, scan that QR code or go to sinclaircares.com.